Culinary industry is my passion, so this is something I've always wanted to do for my entire life, for as long as I can remember. And the class here at State High is a really good opportunity to expand your horizons and see if it's really an industry that you want to go into.
I didn't think I wanted to be a chef or a restaurant manager when I grew up, but taking this program made me realize that would be something really interesting to do. So I'm going to a Culinary Arts school for college.
This class provides a really strong foundation for you to either become a line cook and work your way up through the industry, or to go on to culinary school. Throughout the class we cover pretty much the first half a semester of culinary school. So if you do decide to go to culinary school, you're going to have a step ahead, and it's going to make that transition a lot easier. So the Culinary Arts program is a 3-year program, and you start in Culinary 1 with the basics, which is safety and sanitation, knife skills, soups and stocks and sauces. You do breakfast unit, which the kids technically tend to enjoy, just because it's one of the few units where you do get to eat everything. Culinary Arts is not an eating class, which is a big misconception. It's a cooking class. You don't eat a lot of the food you make. And then in Culinary 2, you move on to breads, pastas, and desserts. And you also get your ServSafe certification during this year, which is an industry certification based on safety and sanitation. And it lasts 5 years, so you won't have to do that in the beginning of culinary school when you go. And then in Culinary 3, you do the international project, and it's a lot of learning how to make a composed dish and learning what ingredients go well with each other.